Definitely is tough when you have such a competitive batch with you, your peers, everyone is a high achiever. So hi guys, welcome on board. Today we have Shivam here with us, who's coming from Accelerate Jamshedpur. That's like the most amazing campus when it comes to HR and business management. So welcome on board, Shivam.
Thank you so much.
Tell us some more fun facts about Accelerate. I mean, you guys have such an amazing campus.
That's good. So, as and when one comes to Excel, there are a lot of things to experience. You are literally surprised every moment. There is this word called buzzard that we use at Excel, and it's used
Oh, I've
way too
heard
much.
that a lot. I mean,
Yes.
during my NM days when we come to Accelerate for the sports fest, so kind of
Yeah.
heard that pretty often from all the Accelerites
Yeah.
out there.
Yeah, so it's very much said by all the Excelers that buzzard never ends in Excel. You,
If you
uh,
mind telling me what do you mean by that? For all the people, for the benefit of the others, who are hearing it for the first time.
okay, so it is all about the pranks that are done on, say, juniors, or juniors doing it on seniors, or per se, the professors, like literally ripping us apart. In the sense, you are having an assignment and a test tomorrow, you're sleeping at 6, waking up at 7, going to the class at 8. So it's all a part of the puzzle. In the end, you realize nothing mattered much. You could, all of us could crack, like all of us could go out of this journey and like get our dream jobs. So all this was definitely a puzzle that we had to get into. We had to, I think the video is something. Yeah, it was all a part of. It was hard life, definitely, to survive in Excel for 2 years. A lot of people cried. A lot of people could not bear it. But since the culture is so good that we all are together for each other, ultimately everybody makes to it very easily.
That's
That's
very
how-
that's very well
That's
put.
very-
Like it is tough. It
So,
definitely is
yeah.
tough when you have such a competitive batch with you, your peers, everyone is a high achiever. So you have to make sure you're doing your best when it comes to all the assignments and everything. But the thing is that you have a lot of competition with you, with all the toppers around you. It's a lot of peer pressure sometimes does creep in terms of the competitiveness. But apart from academics and all of these things, how do you guys have fun? Like what are the other options available to make sure you're having fun? It's not going to be obviously all the time sulking and studying.
Yeah. So basically, Jamshedpur is a second tier city. You do not have a lot of options as far as going out is concerned. Although there are a lot of restaurants, a lot of pubs that have now opened, earlier they were not. So yes, we have enjoyed our life there. So as far as the festivals are concerned, every festival is celebrated with a lot of pomp and show. So I was saying there's a very important concept of wet nights as far as Excel is concerned. So wet nights are basically the party nights that we have, and we celebrate almost everything in those. So suppose after the SIP was done, after basically to a Diwali party or any kind of function or any kind of moment that we had, one or the other committee is holding a wet night. Where
Nice.
obviously you have drinks and a lot of fun there, as the name suggests. So yeah, the culture is actually very great because we all are like very firmly together, and we go out for parties and everything. The committee parties and parties happen all the time. So Excel is all about working hard and partying at the same time. So yeah,
That's such a typical B school thing, that you have to make sure you slog your ass off and then at the end chill, party, enjoy. That's what makes it all the more sleepless nights that comes on board with it.
yes,
And I'm sure if you take that part out of it, it's gonna make like the B school life so boring, dude.
very boring and difficult to cope up with also.
Very true. And I think that kind of being and I mean I've seen the campus. It's so huge. It's outskirts and everything also. So that kind of, and like you mentioned, Jamshedpur doesn't have a lot of things outside. So that does that help build a stronger bonding into the campus with your batchmates and
It
everybody?
does. It does because we have our faculty and everybody staying inside the campus. We do not have much outside as far as the campus is concerned.
Yeah.
So yes, so we hold parties within the campus. We have common rooms where we can party. We have courtyards where we can party. So as far as the outside, world is concerned, we do go to the cafes and all the restaurants that have now opened up for the committee parties per se.
Okay.
And we have like 20-30 people to party. But in smaller groups, we do have our own discussion rooms. We have our rooms to talk about, stay up all night, and like do whatever we like. So yeah, that has never been an issue, and that has been very entertaining and interesting part of Excel.
That's interesting. That's very good to hear. So thank you so much, Shivam. It was a pleasure having you on board and listening to all the honest things, and not hearing that yeah, Accelerate just happened. I just cracked that. It's a lot of hard work, a lot of efforts which comes in, and the kind of dedication you've put in, which you can see out there. And wish you all the very best for the next phase with ITC, and keep doing well.
Thank you so much, Anisha. It was lovely speaking to you, and I hope the students get some insight from what we've discussed.
Thank you so much.